Hi everyone, wanna make extra money? Then this is for you. Watch to the end. Are you tired of the daily grind and dreaming of financial freedom? The internet might be just be your global golden ticket. In today's digital age, making money online has never been more accessible. Whether it's a side hustle or a full time gig, the opportunities are endless. First, take a moment to evaluate your skills and interests. What are you doing good at? What do you enjoy doing? This is your starting point. Freelancing is a popular option. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide needing your skills. If teaching is your passion, online tutoring could be your calling. Platforms like tutor.com and VIP Kid are always looking for knowledgeable tutors. Dropshipping allows you to run an online store without holding inventory. Shopify and e-commerce make it easy to get started. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. Promote products and earn commissions on sales through platforms like Amazon Associates. Love creating content? Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or selling your own products. Participate in online surveys and market research. Websites like SEOBucks and SurveyJunkie pay you for your opinions. Building a strong online presence is critical. Create a professional profile. Optimize your LinkedIn and showcase your work through a personal website. Engage constantly on social media to attract potential clients and customers. Your online presence is your digital storefront. The online marketplace is always evolving. Invest time in your online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare to stay ahead. Learn about digital marketing, SEO, and content writing. These skills are invaluable in the online world. Networking is key. Join social media groups, participate in forums, and attend websites related to your interests. Collaborating with others can open new doors. Partnerships can lead to new opportunities and clients. Persistence is essential. Making money online takes time and effort. Don't be discouraged by initial setbacks. Be adaptable. If one method doesn't work, try another. The online world offers countless ways to earn. Keep a growth mindset, embrace challenges, and learn from them. This attitude will help you succeed. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay focused and enjoy the journey. Making money online is a realistic goal for anyone willing to invest time and effort. Unlock your potential and start your online earning journey today. The digital world is waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time with new video.